In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Zoom on your computer. If you need Zoom for meetings, classes, or team collaboration, the setup process is usually quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get everything installed properly and be ready to start using the app. First, open your preferred web browser and go to zoom.us/download. This is Zoom's official download page, and using the official site is the best way to make sure you're getting the latest and safest version of the app. Once the page loads, look for the section labeled Zoom Workplace App. Under that section, click the download button. Your browser will begin downloading the installation file to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. After the download finishes, open the downloaded file from your downloads folder. If you're using a Windows computer, the file will typically end in .exe. If you're using a Mac, it will usually end in .pkg. In many cases, you can also click the download directly from your browser's downloads bar or downloads list, but checking the downloads folder is a reliable option if you don't see it right away. When you open the installer, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. The exact steps may look slightly different depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac, but in general, you'll just confirm that you want to install the application and allow the installer to continue. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, go ahead and approve it if you're comfortable doing so. That's a normal part of the installation process. Once the installation is complete, Zoom should open automatically, or you can launch it from your desktop, Applications folder, or Start menu. At that point, you'll be asked to sign in or sign up. If you already have an account, enter your login details to access your meetings and settings. If you're new to Zoom, choose the sign up option and create an account to get started. After that, you're ready to begin using Zoom. It's a good idea to make sure your microphone, camera, and speakers are working correctly before joining your first meeting, so your experience goes as smoothly as possible. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and opened Zoom on your computer.